Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can use Google on your PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here in the right, you're gonna find your game library where you're gonna find all of your installed games and apps. Right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store, and here in the top you're gonna find all of the sections such as games, media. Here you're gonna find search, settings, and lastly you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, as you can see guys, if you go to this list or if you go to your game library, you won't find Google, because basically guys, the web browser are removed from the PlayStation 5. It was available before on the PlayStation 4, but it was removed once the PlayStation 5 is released. So basically guys, the only alternative that you can use is go to media, and then right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find some media applications that you can use such as YouTube, Spotify, Crunchyroll, Twitch, Netflix. Here you're gonna find your app or your library, and if you want to install some other apps, you're gonna find them right here in all apps. Just click on all apps, and then right here you're gonna find the list that includes all of the available apps. Right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find some video and music application. You're gonna also find some VR experience apps right here in the bottom. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.